Crime Stoppers is made possible by Newcap Television and is proudly sponsored by Budget Blinds. Call today for your free in-home consultation.
This is Newcap News with Bart Pediasic.
Good evening and thank you for joining us. We begin tonight in Cold Lake, where RCMP are investigating a break and enter in that city last night. Now around 6 o'clock, a suspect broke into a house and stole 11 firearms, a gun safe, a 55-inch smart TV, and stereo equipment. Now, if you have any information on this, you're asked to call Cold Lake RCMP at 780-594-3302 or Crime Stoppers. Well, a growing number of seniors without suitable housing in the border city has been a rising issue, leaving many without having proper care. Now, it's an issue that has sparked local groups to react. The Pioneer Lodge and the Lloydminster Region Health Foundation made a special announcement earlier today as they received a generous donation of $100,000. Now, that's all going towards a much-needed expansion. Chris Khan reports.
I'm very pleased to accept this. Thank you very much.
We were just glad to donate $100,000 towards the Pioneer House.
A generous donation for an important issue.
We've had our first major donation from Sellers RV Center that is going towards the expansion of the Pioneer Lodge, which we call Pioneer House.
The Pioneer House is a $16 million project aimed at expanding the current facility.
This new facility is going to allow them to go to another extra level of care in this same footprint, this same piece of ground.
The Pioneer Lodge is currently at a level 2, meaning that they assist in basic needs such as food, room, and board. The new expansion is set to be a level 4, facilitating a much higher level for continuing care for seniors with more serious conditions.
We need this facility to be able to take care of the citizens of the villages of Kitscoty, Marwayne, Paradise Valley, the county of Vermilion River, and the city of Lloyd.
In order to complete the expansion, $2 million must be raised by March 2017. If the goal is not reached, millions of dollars from the government will be unavailable, affecting the completion of a project that many are in dire need of. Chris Khan, Newcap News.
Well, it's been an ongoing issue, according to one Lloydminster resident for many years. The Superstore employee says customers continually park in the fire lane in front of the store, and it's a serious safety issue. As Jeremy Thompson reports, the man is fed up with the city's response to his complaints.
The parking lot at Lloydminster's Superstore is busy. It's been busy ever since greeter John Van Klemput started working here 5 years ago. But John has a beef with some shoppers that has nothing to do with their groceries.
At times, especially in front of the convenience store, there can be 4 vehicles parked there, and sometimes even one parked left-hand side to the curb instead of right-hand side.
That area is a no parking fire lane, and John says he's been badgering the city to ticket violators for years with no result. His solution in the meantime is enforcing the rules by himself.
People just go right ape when you approach them over the issue. They seem to think that no one should bother them. They're free to park wherever they feel like parking.
Now, this situation is unique in that officers could theoretically look out of their office windows and see violations as they happen. Unfortunately, that doesn't necessarily mean they can do anything about it.
The unfortunate nature is that the city has limited resources, and we must provide parking and policing throughout the entire community.
Even so, Doug Rodwell says his officers have been issuing tickets to poor parkers.
We do patrol that area on an informal basis, and we have written in the area of 30 tickets in the Superstore in the recent time.
But that's not good enough for Van Klemput, who has to deal with the issue every time he goes to work. But Rodwell says they're doing all they can do to discourage the bad behavior, and now it's on store management to improve the situation further.
Do you think the management could do something?
No, it's up to the city to do it. Management can only try and respond to the customers' complaints the same as I do.
As the standoff between John and the city continues, he says there's a simple solution to the problem. When you go for groceries, just don't park in the fire lane. Jeremy Thompson, Newcap News.